Alright, this is 70 miles an hour on the highway in comfort mode. Can't really hear the exhaust. It's actually an auto, so I'm going to put it in dynamic. Kind of kicks up a little bit. Still not nearly as intrusive as the AWE Track Extreme. That was a much louder exhaust. Okay, back in auto. Valves are closed. In case you're wondering, I've got my Bilstein basically set to full hard, so the ride's a little bumpy today. I need to back off a couple of clicks. So really, in comfort mode or auto, whatever you have it set on, honestly the wind and tire noise is louder than the exhaust. You can hear it just a little bit. If you had the stereo on, you wouldn't hear it at all. But going back into dynamic, you can just hear it a little bit more until you get on it. Then it's pretty loud. Back in comfort. But yeah, I could definitely live with this exhaust every day. It actually is a little bit quieter today than it was yesterday. Yesterday was the first time that I'd used the exhaust, and having installed it on Friday night, and I have to say it's actually a little more quiet. So maybe it breaks in and gets a hair quieter. I could smell the fiberglass baking, as they say, after the first time that I used it. But completely livable. I was kind of worried it'd be a little loud when cruising. I like to kind of keep it on the quiet side, I guess, when I'm headed into work. And I think there's a time and a place to let it rip. And sometimes I just want to chill, listen to some good music, and kind of relax on the way to work. And I think this exhaust will do that. And like I said, I was really worried I'd have drone, and drone drives me up the wall. And I will say, at low revs in dynamic with the valves open, you're going to get some drone below 2,000 RPM. Just don't keep it below 2,000 RPM, you'll be just fine.